Hello. Is this seat free?
Hi. Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. I need some books.
What kind of books are you looking for?
Something about travel and adventure.
Oh, check aisle 7. Lots there.
Great. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
Nice. I like quiet places too.
This is perfect for reading.
Do you have a library card?
Yes, I borrowed a few books today.
I need to get one too.
It's easy. Just sign up at the desk.
Thanks. I will do that.
You can also use the computer here.
Perfect. I need to research a bit.
Good idea. The Wi-Fi is fast.
Awesome. I'll start now.
Enjoy your reading and research.
Thanks. I will.
Hi, is this treadmill free?
Hello? Yes, you can use it.
Thanks, I like morning workouts.
Me too. It feels great.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every day.
Wow, you're very dedicated.
Thanks. Exercise keeps me healthy.
I need some tips for running.
Sure. Start slow, then increase speed.
Got it. How long do you run?
Usually 30 minutes per session.
That sounds doable for me.
Don't forget to stretch before and after.
Yes, I always stretch a little.
Good. That prevents injuries.
How about strength training? Any advice?
Light weights at first. Gradually more.
Okay, I'll try that too.
Great. Let's enjoy our workout today.
Yes. Thanks for the tips.
Hello. Can you help me, please?
Hi. Of course. What do you need?
I need medicine for a headache.
Do you want tablets or syrup?
Tablets, please. Something strong enough.
Here's a good one. Take 2.
How often should I take them?
Every 6 hours after meals.
Okay, that's clear. Thank you.
Do you need anything else today?
Yes, some vitamin C tablets too.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Your total is $7.
Here's 8. Keep the change.
Thank you. Do you have a card?
No, cash is fine.
All right. Take care and get well.
Thanks. I hope I feel better soon.
You will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good evening. Table for 2, please.
Hello. Right this way, please.
Thank you. The menu looks great.
Yes, everything is fresh today.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
And for you, sir?
I'll try the pasta with sauce.
Would you like something to drink?
Just water for now, thanks.
Sure. Any appetizers to start?
Yes, 1 salad to share, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
The salad looks delicious.
Glad you like it. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. How long for main courses?
About 15 minutes, freshly made.
Perfect. We can wait.
Enjoy your dinner and evening.
Thanks. You too.
Hi. Is this the check-in counter?
Hello. Yes, Which airline are you flying?
I'm flying with Delta Airlines.
May I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. How many bags do you have?
Just one suitcase, carry on two.
All right. Please place your suitcase here.
Done. Do I need a boarding pass?
Yes, I'll print it for you.
Thank you. How long is the flight?
About 3 hours to New York.
Great. Which gate should I go to?
Gate 12, and boarding starts soon.
Perfect. Any food on the plane?
Yes, snacks and drinks included.
That's good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. I'm excited to go.
Enjoy your trip and visit again.
I will. Goodbye.
Hello. I'd like to open an account.
Hi. Sure. Do you have your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What type of account?
A savings account, please.
Okay. Please fill out this form.
All right. How long does it take?
Just a few minutes, very quick.
Great. Can I deposit some money now?
Of course. How much would you like?
$100 to start.
Perfect. Your account is ready now.
Thank you. Do I get a card?
Yes, your debit card is here.
Awesome. Can I use it today?
Yes, it works immediately.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Anything else today?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
Have a nice day and welcome.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
Hello. May I have your name?
Yes, it's John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. One moment.
Sure, no problem.
Here is your key card. Room 305.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10 in the lobby.
Perfect. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon.
Great. Can I get a wake-up call?
Of course. What time would you like?
6:30, please.
Done. Anything else for your stay?
Yes, can you help with my luggage?
Certainly. The bellhop will assist you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
I will. The hotel looks lovely.
We're glad to hear that.
Hi. Can you fill it up, please?
Hello. Sure. Regular or premium?
Regular, please.
How much do you want today?
$20, please.
All right. Do you need the windshield cleaned?
Yes, that would be great.
Done. Any air for your tires?
Yes, please. One tire is low.
Okay, all set now.
Thank you. How much do I owe?
$25.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a safe drive.
Thanks. You too.
Need anything else for your car?
No, that's all for today.
Great. See you next time.
Definitely. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Drive safely.
Hi. Can you help me, please?
Hello. Sure, what are you looking for?
I need a new jacket.
What size do you wear?
Medium, please.
Here's one in medium. Do you like it?
Yes, the color is nice.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, where is the fitting room?
Right over there.
Thanks. I'll try it now.
How does it fit?
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great. Cash or card?
Card, please.
All done. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Hi, 2 tickets for the 7 p.m. show.
Hello. Which movie would you like?
Spider Adventure, please.
Great. 2 seats together?
Yes, please. Middle row if possible.
Perfect. Here are your tickets.
Thank you. Where's the entrance?
Just down this hall to the left.
Great. How long is the movie?
About 2 hours.
Any snacks available inside?
Yes, popcorn, drinks, and candy.
I'll get popcorn before the show.
Good idea. Would you like large or small?
Small, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your movie.
Thanks, I'm excited to watch it.
Have fun and enjoy the show.
Thanks, see you next time.